Math Module 3, Function and Arrow Notation. What's this? This is a symbol. It reads f of x. It stands for the function notation of an equation. In other words, if we see this symbol in an equation, all it means is that the equation is a function. If we have an equation of y equals 2x minus 2, again, this is an equation. It's also a function. If we wanted to write it as a function, we would write f of x equals 2x minus 2. We've taken our equation and written it in function notation. Remember, if you see f of x in an equation, that means it's a function. Now let's evaluate a function. We want to find f of 4. Remember, it's not multiplication, so we're not looking for f times 4. Our formula is f of 4 equals 2 times x minus 2. To find f of 4 in our function, everywhere there's an x, I place a 4. To simplify it down, following order of operations, f of x equals 2 times 4 minus 2. F of 4 equals 8 minus 2. F of 4 equals 6. We find that for every input of 4, our output is 6. This can be written as an ordered pair, 4 of 6, and placed in a graph. Arrow notation. This equation, y equals 5x plus 1, is the same as the function that pairs x to 5x plus 1. Let's evaluate our arrow notation. Given that the function that pairs x to 5 plus 1, find f3. f3 means that everywhere there's an x, we will replace it with 3. So f of 3 equals 5 times 3 plus 1. Following the order of operations, f of 3 equals 15 plus 1. f of 3 equals 16. Based on this, we see for every input of 3, our output is 16. This can be written as an ordered pair, 3 of 16, and placed on a graph. So why use arrow notation? Arrow notation can be used in line, they are small, and they can be single purpose.